It's a nice, lovely day outside. Ow! My tooth! Ow! Ah! My tooth! I think Vanity has something for that toothache, Frank and Wendell. Yes, I'll go see him. Thank you. Now, according to the instructions, I need to take one of these every day. Hello, Lily. Hi, Frank and Wendell. I am having a very nice day because my tooth is no longer hurting. Wow, did you just shoot lightning bolts out of your mouth? Oh, I'm sure it's nothing. Oh boy, maybe I should see somebody about these hiccups. Don't worry, Frank and Wendell. I can help you out. Just simply stop taking the pills. But what about my toothache? Go to the dentist, you lazy bum.